at that because our neighbor just walked out. What are you eating? Leroy, stop eating it. Get over here. Come on. Come on, Bucker. Hey! Leroy. Leroy Jenkins, get over here. He's listening. He hears me. He's just... He knows he can push me. Until I start to get frustrated. He can hear my voice. Which... I'm not hearing. I don't really care. I don't get frustrated at all. He can tell. He reads me like a book. Both of them can. Yep. Not even my dogs. Alright, sis. Come on. Roxanne! Roxanne! Come on. Come on. Roxy! Roxy! I'm gonna have to come back and get that one. Come on, babe. You coming? He's a good boy. Ooh, my tubby bubby. My tubby bubby. Oh, look at the pretty kitty. Look at my pretty kitty. Look at my pretty kitty. Look at my pretty kitty. Oh, my other pretty kitty. My other pretty kitty. You're gonna fight, probably. Roxy, come on. Rox, come on. Roxanne, come on. I knew it. This is why you and I argue. Okay. Let's take a shot back at the idiots. This is my idiot. Yeah. Fam Dambling. Alright, I gotta pick this one up and take it in.